You tweeted on Monday on the global stock market impacts from US with hashtag China. How do you think the tumble of doubt today will affect the Asia market, specifically the Chinese market?
Typically, the US and Chinese stock markets are only moderately correlated, with less than 5% of revenues of US companies in the S&P 500 coming from China. While the US market only drops about 20 basis points for every 1% the US market falls, and the Chinese market is about twice as volatile as the US stock market, China's market is sensitive to the US growth from its exports. So historically, for every 1% of US GDP growth, Chinese stocks have risen about 6.2% on average, more than the 1.7% on average Chinese stocks gain from China's own growth. So if the trading tensions escalate at the expense of growth, it could reduce the market values in both of the countries.
Several analysts state that the stock will likely avert a bear market, which would extend losses to more than 20% in spite of future higher interest rates. Do you agree with such statement? And if so, how soon do you think the bear market will start?
The S&P 500 is on pace to record its sixth worst October ever since 1928 and its worst October since 2008. Following each of the 5 Octobers with bigger losses than now, there were more losses, ranging from 6% to over 13% in the subsequent Novembers. So if history is any guide, perhaps there may be more downside. And historically, rising rates don't end a bull market unless they rise very rapidly, which to many has not been the case right now.